Hi everyone, this is week 2 of my weekly vlog series, An Exercise Physiologist Who Doesn't Exercise. My name is Paul, I'm that very EP I'm talking about. And update on this week, we've made some progress. So last week I mentioned how motivation was lacking. There was really no drive to get started with exercise. Well, I've had some tips and some inspirational quotes from clients, and there's one that's really stood out to me, and that's that motivation doesn't come as we see fit, rather that we need to be disciplined to do exercise. And that kind of rang true for me. It really inspired me, as corny as it sounds, because it's true. When we feel good and we're physically, mentally sound, we feel motivated to do extra, to keep that feeling of elation and happiness. And so, but when it comes to discipline basically means you do it no matter how you feel. You're always just doing it every other day. And think to the guys in the army. They just do it. They're disciplined, they make their beds every day, they're up at 5 a.m. And so I thought to myself, well, I've just got to do it regardless of how I feel. I got to be disciplined. And yes, that's going to take some willpower, but so far it's worked. Right now I'm doing my really long 1 hour walk on my day off with my dog, PJ. And I've gone to the gym about twice this week so far. Really no focus in the gym. I got too caught up in the details. I planned ahead a lot, what exercise I'm going to do, how many reps and sets, what should I be aiming for. And I got caught up in the science of it all, when really I should just develop the discipline. I should really set myself up to just do it. Not sponsored by Nike, by the way. Oh, there's PJ now. So, quick update for this week. We're off. We're moving. All because of discipline. I don't care how I feel. I don't care if I'm not motivated or not. I'm just going to do it. Okay? Aside from that, I've also set a plan in motion for my nutrition, my food. I've basically set a goal of once a week, preferably Sunday, 3 hours, I shop, I cook, and I prep. I'm not counting calories. I'm not doing anything else other than that. Really, I'm just cooking things that I want to cook. Lots of protein, lots of veggies. I'm feeling full every day. I've got boundless energy just because I'm eating better. But I've also set a little mini goal of just avoiding sugar, artificial stuff, really basic things. I'm not counting calories. I'm not trying to hit my macronutrients. Again, I can get very caught up in the science of it all, but this time around, I'm just avoiding it. So, this is week 2. I hope you guys are really enjoying me in these weekly vlogs. As you can probably tell, I'm not a public speaker. People tell me I speak really well, but I try to avoid doing these videos in public. That's why I'm at a park right now and I can see someone else on the other side. So I'm going to stop the video right here. But guys, thank you so much for the kind words in the comments in previous videos. Please keep them coming. Give me some ideas. What would you like to see me do? Talk to me about. I'm on this journey with everyone. And so any ideas you need help with, please reach out. But as always guys, my name is Paul. This is week 2 of my weekly vlog, An Exercise Physiologist Who Doesn't Exercise. I'll see you next week. Take care.